Frustrated by the Property System Library DLL pop-up crashing your app? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the cause and fix it for good. While we explore the technical guide for Property System Library, you can access a professional tool for managing complex library dependencies. This is the Property System Library. It manages the metadata, tags, ratings, authors for files within Windows. It handles the IPropertyStore interfaces utilized by File Explorer and Search. If corrupted, users will encounter 0x800-7057 errors when editing file details, or the details pane in Explorer will remain blank, preventing the OS from indexing specialized file types. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. This is a critical Windows system integrity issue. You should run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and executing sfc/scannow, allowing Windows to automatically repair core architecture files like Property System Library DLL. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Property System Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health. Then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Be aware that manual fixes for Property System Library DLL often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. Streamline background processes by reviewing the maintenance utility linked below for Property System Library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved Property System Library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.